work, even the side of computer, hardware, and software to tackle your name. So I'm going to take you through the computer, introduction to computers. What do you understand by the word computer?
Electronic. It is an electronic device that works comprising the software and the hardware. I was trying.
That's a good let me look for you what they are. A computer is an electronic device capable of receiving data, that's the input, processing it under the control of a set instruction. Those instructions are like storing information and producing output results. Let's go to characteristics of computers. What do you understand by the characteristics itself?
They are like features.
Yes, they are like features.
Unasema vile kompyuta inakaa. Rectangular. Any feature, something in the meaning of something.
Yes, right. In terms of performance, it is fast. Portable.
Yes.
So that you can carry anywhere.
Allows multi-access. Allows multi-access.
Multi-access. Accurate. It gives the correct answers.
Correct information.
Speed.
Yes.
Not sure. I'm not sure of your question.
That's what you asked.
Okay.
I was talking about the characteristics of computers.
It should be. It should be portable.
Someone asked me. Can I give you what I have?
Yes.
The speed. Computers can perform millions of operations per second. Anyways, we got just umeelewa hiyo? Speed, yeah, it's fast. Someone has mentioned about accuracy. Actually, computers give correct result as long as the input and program are correct. So long as umeuzia kitu yenye correct. Automation. Who will explain that? Automation. Yes, once you have programmed it will work as you want. Once a program is started, the computer runs without manual. Example, automated payroll system generates salaries each month without manual input. And ukiset tu computer ifanye kazi fulani, huwezi ukarudi tena uanzishe kenye ulikuwa umefanya. Yani inaenda tu versatility. They are versatile. Yani, a single computer can perform many tasks, like playing music, editing documents, browsing the internet, and controlling the machines, like what your phones are doing. So phone also is a computer. It's only that it is small in size. It is all about the storage. Computers can store massive amounts of data permanent and retrieve it instantly. Example, the Google stores billions of web pages and provides such results in seconds. Another one is connectivity. Modern computers connect to network and the internet to share data, e.g. the email and cloud storage. Have you understood that?
Yes.
Let's go to the importance of computers. Umuhimu. It answers from importance of computers.
It saves on time.
Saves time.
Yeah.
Gives accurate information.
Yes, the accurate given by the computer is very accurate.
High storage.
Number. Because data analysis for sensors and planning. So wanatumia computer wakichukua sensors. Go to entertainment. Computers do mostly in game, music, movies, and streaming platforms like Netflix and Spotify. To go to classification of computers. How can we classify the computers? By size.
Storage capacity.
By the storage, the amount of the information that they can store.
So, yeah.
Another?
Is it editions? Not editions.
Of course, there is the one used by versions, like kuna yenye kitambo.
And version. Example is the laptops and desktops. Another one is special purpose computers. These special purpose computers, they are designed for the specific task only. Example, ATMs for banking transaction, washing machine controllers, traffic lights control systems. And it is given out according to the task that they are doing. Haiwezi kapita hiyo kazi ingine yenye imepewa. These second generation computers, they use the transistor.
The monitor, laptop keyboard, CPU, printers, and hard disk. Capture input devices. Input devices are used to enter data and instruction into computers. And then we have the common input devices. We have the keyboard, the mouse, scanner, microphone, webcam, and biometrics. Those are input devices. Input devices includes keyboard, the mouse, scanner, microphone, webcam, and biometrics devices. Output devices display or present information after processing. Then we have the common output devices, which includes a monitor, printers, the speaker, and projectors. Those are the output devices. Projectors, then the speakers. devices. Storage devices for instruction either temporarily or permanently. We have the types of storage devices, which includes the primary storage, we have the secondary storage, and cloud storage. Under primary storage, you have the RAM, which is random access memory. You have the ROM, read-only memory, then the cache memory. Under the secondary storage, we have the hard disk drives, we have the solid-state drives, then optic disk, and finally we have the flash drive. That is under the secondary storage. Finally, we have the cloud storage. For example, the Google Drive, that is an example of a cloud storage. Then we have the processing unit, the CPU, which is the brain of the computer. It carries instructions given by the software. We have the components of the CPU. Number one is the arithmetic and logic unit that perform calculation. We have the CU, that is a control unit, which direct the flow of data between the CPU, memory, and devices. Then we have the motherboard. That is the main circuit board that connects the CPU, the RAM, the storage, and the variables. Finally, we have the other hardware components, which includes the power supply unit, expansion cards, and the peripheral devices that map the edge of a computer hardware.
My name is Madam Susie Otando. I'm taking you through computer software. Who can define computer software or software? Yes.
They are the set of instructions that direct the computer on what to do.
Yes, that is correct. Another attempt. Cynthia is right. Let me read for you, define for you a software. It's a set of programs or instructions or data that tells the hardware what to do. Examples of software, even you have it, some you have it on your phone. You have the answers on your hands. Example. Yes, Cynthia?
Applications.
Yes, applications software. Examples of application software.
Like MS1.
What you have said is right. That is correct. Example.
Microsoft Word.
Yes, Microsoft Word. Another one. Under application software. Yes. Another examples of, there are three types of computer software. There are types of computer software, that is application software. Then we have system software. Under application software, Cynthia has told us that there is Microsoft Word, another one Excel. Yes, PowerPoint. Yes? Examples are here. Even you on your phone, they are there. This one Microsoft Word, Excel, PowerPoint, email. Is it clear? Yes?
What do you mean by
Microsoft Word.
Application. This is, yes, Jemima?
Application software, those are apps. Unajua complex apps ni what you download then they stay on your devices. Kama saa hizi tumeambiwa jana mdownload Teams. That's an application software.
Yes, and they can be used to create documents. Yes.
These apps, they help users to perform tasks,
Yes.
like the task of typing now.
Yes.
Use the MS
That's
Word.
correct, yeah. Under system software, who can tell us example? Examples of system software. Even you have it, some of you have it on your laptop. There is Microsoft Team operating systems. Examples of operating system. Who can tell us?
Yes.
Yes?
Windows 10.
Yes, that is correct. Yes. Let me read for you those who are writing of the types of software. Let me first define the term software. Software is a set of programs, instructions, or data that tells the hardware what to do, and we have discussed that. Then types of examples of software, there are Windows, Linux, Microsoft Word, Chrome browser, then Photoshop. Types of software, there are software, there is system software. The definition of system software, this software controls hardware and provides a platform for other programs to run. Under that, there's operating system, OS. Definition of OS, a collection of programs that manage computer hardware and software resources. Function, number one, booting the computer, managing memory and storage. 3, handling input and output operation. Then the second last is providing user interface. Then lastly, running applications. Then there are types of operating system. That is single user operating system. This is designed for one person, e.g. Windows 10 Home. Then there is another type, multi-user OS operating system. Multiple people can use at the same time. Example, Unix. Real-time, another one is real-time OS used in time-critical systems like traffic lights or medical equipment. Then lastly is distributed operating system. Uses multiple computers to work together as one system. Examples we said. Then there is utility program. That is another type of computer software. Utility programs, these are small software tools that help maintain or manage a computer. Example, who can tell us an example of utility software? Yes?
Java software.
Yes, that is correct. Even
It's a code. No, it's not a code. It's a series of codes
yes,
used by the computer experts, the programmers,
yes,
to
create a database or something like that.
Yes, that's a good trial. I define I research and the term programming language is an artificial language for expressing computer programs. Usually allow software to be written. Yes. Examples of computer languages or programming languages that you know.
HTML.
Yes.
HTML.
Yes.
Kuna Python.
Yes, that's correct. Yes.
Kuna JavaScript.
Yes.
CSS++.
C. Another one is C.
Kuna Cisco.
Yes. Yes, that's correct. You can Google. You have Kenya and you don't want to lose that opportunity. Yes?
Translators convert programs into machine language.
Yes, that's correct. Types of translators. You can Google because this is a class, not exam. This three is used for programming languages.
First of all, I'd like to start by answering the question on why is it important?
Yes.
It's actually very not, since you're not programmers, but just for general knowledge. Yeah. Then proceeding from there, I'd like to take you through the relationship between hardware and software. So, kwanza simelewa hardware. Hardware are the physical components of a computer, while software are the internal. So one thing we need to understand is a hardware works in comparison with the software. They work hand in hand. One cannot work without the other. So let me take you through the relationship. First and foremost, my name is Sydney. I'd like to take you through computer maintenance and troubleshooting. First and foremost, why is it important to maintain computers? Anyone? Why is it important to maintain computers?
So that it can stay for a longer period.
Exactly. You maintain computers so that they can retain its reliability. Yeah, so that it can last for long. So we will start with hardware maintenance. Hardware maintenance. Some of the practices for hardware maintenance. Anyone with an idea before I start? Yes? Dusting. Yeah, exactly. So we can maintain our hardware through dusting. Does anyone remember or does anyone know how dusting is done?
Yes.
Yes. For example,
By using that machine to blow out the dust from, yes.
yeah,
Dusting machine.
tunatumia ile blower ama blowtorch, si ndio? Kwenye tulikuwa tunaambiwa since kwa hardware kuna kwa na hii fan hapa nyuma. Dust ikiaccumulate inaweza interfere na the exactly. So dusting is one of the ways of maintaining hardware. Number two, we have temperature control. Have you ever seen computer labs with AC? Yeah. Do you know, tunajua mbona ziko hapo, si ndio? Too much heat inaleta humidity na ikiingia kwa PC inaweza cause rusting na itaharibika, si ndio? So air condition, temperature control. Number three, we have power protection. Anyone with an idea of how power protection protection is applied in maintenance. For example, mumona hii nini inaitwaje? TV guard, fridge guard. Alafu siku hizi kuna hizi ma processors ndogo hizi zenye stima ikipotea ina nini shortage na bado zinaweza, si ndio? Yeah, that's another way of maintaining. And then the fourth one is safe handling. Safe handling. Safe handling, for example, unajua ukiwa na computer usidrop, si ndio? Usiweke mahali kuna maji. So that is another way of maintaining our computers. So that is hardware maintenance. So we move to software maintenance. Software maintenance, this ensures that our softwares are efficient and secure. So first step or practice of software care can be regular updates. How regularly should you do your updates by the way kwa masimu na computer? Kama kwa simu ikikuitisha update una update, si ndio? But kwa computer pia ni the same, si ndio? It's nothing different. Then we have antivirus protection, like downloading the Kaspersky to secure your machine from antiviruses. Then we have data backup. Data backup is another way of software maintenance, whereby you always back up the most important information. Isn't it true? Yeah. Then we have remove unnecessary programs. So kuna wenye hapa mmebidi delete ma app zingine zenye hamtumii, si ndio? Yeah, so that is also another way of software maintenance. So from there we'll move to troubleshooting. Can someone tell me what troubleshooting is, or what do you understand by the term troubleshooting? Yeah, troubleshooting. Yes.
Troubleshooting is maybe when a computer is having errors, you have to identify where the trouble is coming from, so that you can tell a technician to come and fix.
Yeah, true. That's true. So troubleshooting basically involves the process of identifying a problem. That is number one. Number two, you analyze the problem. And number three, you solve the computer problem. So that is troubleshooting. So there are various steps in troubleshooting, and I will start with the first one, which is identifying the problem. So here you observe the error messages, the symptoms or user complaints. For example, let's say computer yako imekataa kuwaka screen ni black, si ndio? Hapo utakuwa umefanya nini? Hiyo ni the first step ya troubleshooting, of which tumesema ni identifying, si ndio? So si utakuwa umefungua na unaona screen iko black. So you've gone through the first step of troubleshooting, si ndio? You've identified that there is a problem. The second step is isolate the cause, of which in this case you check whether the issue is hardware or software related. Ni sawa? Kama hiyo ya screen kukua black, nani anaweza kuwa nani? Is it hardware or is it software related? Hardware. Hardware or software?
Software.
Software. It can be both, si ndio? Because inaweza kuwa hardware maybe screen imecrash, or software maybe kuna kitu imefanya iwe black, si ndio? Yeah, it can be both. So after you've isolated the cause, the third step is to apply a solution. You apply a solution. So in this case of the black screen, kama ni hardware, si itabidi uende uchukue screen nyingine ureplace, si ndio? Yeah, hiyo utakuwa umesolve, si ndio? Na kama ni software, unaweza tafuta the cause na you either you solve it in the most appropriate way. Si ni sawa? Number 4 is test the solution. So is step when you umechukua, you now test if it has worked. If you have replaced the screen, kama ilikuwa hardware, sasa si screen itafanya. So inamaanisha troubleshoot successfully, si ndio? So that's the steps of troubleshooting. Then we move to our next